about 30 minutes to starting time for Joe.
10 minutes out, getting ready to race the Baja 500. Pretty exciting stuff. You know, it's hopefully you guys follow along the whole race. And like I said, you got to take control. We got to get this thing to the finish line. Okay, guys? We'll see you at the end.
Hey, stand by for second race, over.